This Center, Realtors property video is presented by Shea Center. Owner Agent. Corporate retreat or venue location. 60.854 acres of land with multiple buildings. 6,000 square foot main event center building, 720 square foot guest cabin, 610 square foot cabin or workshop, 1,992 square foot carport, of which 720 square feet is an enclosed storage area. Entire facility is heated and cooled on co-op water and extensive septic system. Main building features catering kitchen and chef line. There are outdoor fire pits, dance floor, bandstand, grill, storage, and more. This facility truly offers more than words can describe. Approximately $45,000 of personal property to remain, seasonal decorations, tables, furniture, tractor, truck, tools, more. MAI Appraisal, May 2017.